Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Friction questions look sneaky, but this one breaks fast if you compare sliding friction with resting friction and ignore distractions like speed, tilt, and area. For a block already sliding on a rough surface, the friction is kinetic friction, and its magnitude is set mainly by the surface pair and the normal force, not by moving faster. Also, turning the block to use a larger face does not automatically increase friction, because dry friction is approximately independent of contact area, so that choice is a classic trap. If the block is at rest, friction is static, which can differ from kinetic friction, so the only correct statement is option D. Well done! Option D. Scan now. Avoid rushing into sign-style distractions. Trust the given situation and check which friction model applies first.